Troy University students will soon be able to get creative without necessarily getting their hands dirty, as a new minor is being offered in the fall: 3D printing for art and industry.
We looked at the whole sort of spectrum of industrial design, decided to focus on additive manufacturing, which we call 3D printing. Then we decided to focus again to sustainable materials and exotic materials. So that's where we are. And that makes us unique nationwide. There's no university in America teaching additive manufacturing of like printing recycled plastics and concrete and things like that.
The minor is made up of 5 courses, with introductory courses being offered to any student interested. Students will learn to fix problems and help businesses move further into the digital age. They will start small and work their way up to this Delta Wasp 3M printer, which rather than printing in inches, prints in feet and yards. The program focuses on using recycled materials and has even partnered with KW Plastics in Troy.
There's been no formality in the relationship, it's just goodwill, and we want to work together to find ways to take all of this plastic in the world and find new purposes for it.
The program plans to meld the world of digital design and theater.
We'll be printing props and parts of our sets to start with. I'd like to see us print an entire set before too long. We'll be the first production company, professional or university-based, in America to do that. Why not? Why not here at Troy?
And off the stage, Marquette says the course can help students succeed in the business world.
Almost any business that you go to work for is going to need someone like that. And if you can put your hand up and say, I can do that, I can design those things, and I can run those machines. Wow, what a value-added proposition you're affording your employer.
Brady Talbert, Troy, TrojanVision News.